competition of the basic level from class 3. I would like to call the winner names. First person goes to Rikun Joshi. Second person goes to Lakshmi Tripura. And third person goes to Janice Adhikari. Basic level participation competition. I would like to call Bhavana Rao Mai on the stage.
Sorry.